Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first introductory lesson about D2 chapter number 16, that is about the histogram for the grouped and ungrouped data. This lesson is equally important for D2 students and the Punjab textbook board students of class 10, unit 6 and students of O-level examination, those who have to go for their CIE exam. Before moving to that actual topic, that is histogram, there are many basic concepts and the terms that we need to understand. As we know that every region and every area has its own language, and language helps us in understanding the values and other problems of that area. Same, every topic of mathematics like sets, probability, statistics, algebra has its own language, its symbols and notations, and the language help us in understanding the idea of that topic. Same here, before moving to the histogram, there are many small concepts that I feel as a teacher my students have to be clear about them. The first question that comes into the mind is that what's data? Data is the collection of numerical facts. And then frequency. In statistics, the frequency of an event is the number of times the observation occurred or recorded in an experiment or study. Next point that we need to understand is what is frequency distribution. A frequency distribution is the tabular arrangement of the data in which the various items are arranged into classes and the number of items falling in each class frequency is stated. So I hope we are clear about data, frequency and frequency distribution. Coming to types of data, we can have two types of data with us, the grouped data and the ungrouped data. Grouped data is presented in form of the frequency distribution, and the data which have not been arranged in a systematic order are called the raw or ungrouped data. Now the question comes that how to construct the frequency table. As we know that we can have two types of data with us. So on the basis of the types of the variables or data, there are two types of the frequency distribution as well. One is the discrete frequency distribution and one is continuous frequency distribution. Next, we are going to understand that how to construct the discrete frequency table and continuous frequency table. Let's first try to understand three easy steps which will be helping us in formulation of the discrete frequency table. First of all, we have to find the minimum and maximum observation in the data and write the values of the variable in variable column from minimum to maximum. So the next step is record the observations by using the tally marks or vertical bars, and then count the tally and write frequency in the frequency table. And in this way you will be able to complete the discrete frequency table. Moving to the continuous frequency table, first of all we have to find range, and range is the difference between the maximum and minimum value of the data. And then what we have to do, we have to decide about the number of groups or classes. Mostly 5 to 20 groups or classes are suitable, and otherwise it depends upon the range as well and type of the data as well, and determine the size of class. And formula for the class size is H equals to range upon K. That size of class will be equal to range upon the number of classes or groups. So students, I hope you all will be having the good idea about the data, frequency distribution, grouped and ungrouped data, and how to construct the frequency tables for the discrete and continuous frequency situations. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.